Morning guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is January 6th, it's a Tuesday. We had a pretty clean setup today, and man, old habits are hard to kill. Okay, so where I am mentally at is, so I got up at 6, marked up my charts, knew what I was kind of looking for. But like I marked it up in like 5 minutes, right? It's pretty robotic now. So I went on the couch right behind me, and I just kind of just scrolling through Instagram. I kind of closed my eyes, and I just kept, looking over at my screen to see what was going on. I was like, nothing much is going on, and I fell asleep for like 30 minutes, and I missed my setup. Now I'm kind of giving myself some breathing room, because I think one of my issues last year was like really putting a lot of pressure on myself, and it was really damaging my psychology. But like at the same time, it's like, bro, there's really no excuse for falling asleep on the couch, right? Like, so I'm like in a very weird thin line. Now what I'm kind of telling myself is it's the first week back for the year, so let's ease into it. My goal this week is to just actually get up at 6 a.m. because for the last 2 weeks I've been, going to bed super late, things like that, while I was on my break. So my goal this week is to just consecutively get up at 6 a.m. and mark up the charts. Of course, I should be trading, and I want to be trading as well. But so, yeah. Now, in terms of what actually was the setup today, I'm still looking for longs overall in the market. These two candles are kind of hard to see, but these are bearish candles, so they are pullbacks. We do have two breaks to the upside, so one break right here. Second break technically is right here. So if we're bullish, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for higher time frame confluences. First thing I see is this 4-hour order block. Second thing I see is obviously 4-hour swing liquidity. At the same time, I did mark up just this counter trend area, which was there at the time. Jumping down to the 1 hour, same thing, we have a 1-hour order block right here. 1 hour liquidity was grabbed from here. From there I just jumped down to 15, right? 15, not necessary, but I marked it up anyways. Internal break to the upside, 15-minute order block. So I have a lot of bullish confluences to go long. Now it's just really the entry. What you could say is 15-minute overall did grab like some sort of internal liquidity right here, or like higher low liquidity. Originally I wanted it to tap into this order block, but it's okay that it didn't. It's tapped into the 4 and the 1 hour. So when I jump down to my entry time frame, you can see we already have bullish breaks to the upside, right? Here's the first break, right? So where my break in favor really is, right here. I know it's a bit hard to see. I'll zoom in. Pull back, wick transfer. The break actually happens here. Liquidity grabbed overall from here, and PA level sits right here. So liquidity was grabbed a little bit earlier than I liked. Actually, no, grabbed at 650 as well. General more liquidity was grabbed from this higher low. And from there, I just want to check to see if we have a 1-minute entry. Today, again, based off the 3 entry types I can do, 5-minute counter close, 1-minute counter close above EMA and PA level, and the order limit. Today it was going to be 1-minute candle close above PA and EMA level. I think originally I was doing 50 ticks is what I saw. Yep, 50 ticks. And a 1 to 2 was achieved. The frustrating part is I'm literally one trade away from passing like 3 accounts. So like yesterday, I could have made it happen. Yesterday, I like honestly, I wanted to see a bit of a higher quality setup. Today, really, there wasn't any excuse other than the fact that I'm easing back into my routine. But what I'm noticing immediately is I'm going into bad habits and like the same habits that held me back last year. So tomorrow, we absolutely will be awake for the full session or until we take a trade. Um, but yeah, so I feel kind of shitty at the same time. I feel pretty good in terms of like when I came to the markets this morning and I marked everything up, it was like pretty immediate. I knew what I was looking for. Like it's pretty routine now. But it's just that like sleeping thing. Um, yeah, I think this basement is kind of killing me. But that's a story for another day. We will see you guys tomorrow.